Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to cut a capsicum without messing your cutting board with the seeds. I got inspired this cutting hack from Gordon Ramsay's video. I'm also going to show you how to cut the capsicum in different ways for different recipes. So let's get started. I've taken a capsicum with a stem and 4 bumps. To begin with, cut off the stem. Turn it to the other side and hold it tight this way. Cut it and make sure you don't go too deep. Rotate 45 degrees and make another cut and repeat the same until the end. Now we have the seed part untouched. You can see that not a single seed is disturbed. Now let me show you how to cut the capsicum in different ways for different recipes. To begin with, let me show you how to cut for any variety of noodles. Hold it tight and cut into strips. Now let me show you how to cut for Manchurian recipes. Cut the capsicum corner into 2 halves and turn it this way and run through into wedges. Now let me show you how to cut for salads. This is similar to the previous cut but into bigger wedges. Now let's see how to cut for pullaus or any kurmas. Cut into strips. Turn it this way and cut into smaller pieces. Now we are all done with different ways of cutting without the seeds messing around. Very useful hack, so do try this at your home and let me know your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Grate a capsicum using a grater. If you don't have a grater, you can chop it finely. When you grate the capsicum, you can easily get rid of the raw flavor when sauteed. Now we have it ready. Heat a pan. Into this, add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of urad dal, 1/4 teaspoon of chana dal and 3 dried red chilies. Saute well for a few seconds. Then to this, add 1 onion chopped and 3 garlic pods chopped. Saute well until the onion turns transparent. Then add 1 tomato chopped. Saute well until the tomato turns smashy. The flavors of the onion, tomato and the garlic is coming together very well. Now after 2 minutes, the tomato is well done, so go ahead and add the grated capsicum and saute for 2 minutes until the raw flavor of the capsicum is completely gone. Now the capsicum is well done, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. It's been 5 minutes and the ingredients are cool now. Transfer it to a mixer jar. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of water. Grind this to a fine paste. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl. Season the capsicum chutney with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Our delicious capsicum chutney is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some idlis or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this capsicum chutney recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.